In this video I'm going to show you our email and automation section. So first off, you've got your email settings where you can set what the from address is, what the name is, what your charity name is. You can also set a standard header, your logo, the size, the date, and all sorts of configuration there. In your email templates, you simply just click the three buttons and create new email template. You can create folders as well to structure them how you wish. So firstly, I'm just going to show you my in-memory email with gift aid. So I'm going to leave the header so it pulls what's from the settings. I've updated the subject to be thank you for your donation. I'm going to BCC another email address in so they get a copy of it as well. But I've also got options to add attachments, show the date and show the logo should I wish to. The Happy email builder is like the rest of the site where it's built with widgets and you have 2 column widths only with this one. The widget amounts are limited due to it being email, but you have a number of things like text, images, buttons that you're able to configure. What I'm going to show you today is our text editor. So this is where I'm able to personalize the text based on the user's transaction. So with these macros here, I'm going to pull out the first name, the amount they donated, the relation and the relation's first name. I'm also going to pull out what their donation amount was because they added gift aid as well. I'm also going to include your order summary and the order details as it's a payment receipt so that that information will be shown when they receive it. So here's an example for you. So I've got my header which I'd set in my settings and I've got the person's first name, I've got the donation amount, in memory of your next of kin, Ellen. As you added gift aid, we were able to claim 25% extra, which meant your total donation is £15. So that information starts to be more personalised to the user and not just a transaction. Here we have included the transaction information should they wish to have any questions about their payment. I've also added another one with no gift aid. So now we're going to go to email automations. We're going to come here, click the 3 dots and create new automation. This is going to be my in-memory automation. I'm just going to choose default here and then I'm going to start to add my first trigger. I'm going to select my email template that I've built in memory with gift aid. I don't want it to go on a specific date, but I want it to send 5 minutes after they've made the transaction. What I'm then going to do is choose the motivation type equals in memory and also that gift aid is applied. And add that and create. I'm then going to add another trigger because I'm going to choose the one with no gift aid. I'm going to choose the same time and I'm going to choose the same motivation type equals in memory and then gift aid applied equals no. That means that whenever somebody makes an in-memory donation, when I go and apply it to my donation amounts, if they do it in memory with gift aid, they will get this one, and if they do it in memory with no gift aid, they will get this one. There's lots of different triggers you can use here, whether they consented to emails for marketing purposes, the donation amount equals more than £1,000, perhaps they get a different thank you. The frequency, if it's single or regular, and also if they're a new or existing donor, if your API is connected. The organisation type, processing fees, and also the order type. So if you were doing it on an event, you would put order type equals event. You would potentially send it on a specific date, as it would be like 3 days before the event began, or a specific pack you wanted to send them once they've signed up to the event. And then you just select your email template, and then all you do is once you've created your automation, you would just go and assign that to either your donation amounts or your specific event. It really is as simple as that to start personalising your stewardship journey.